Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about the best website that can provide you some working coupon code for Zalando. So here the first one is worth penny. That will actually provide you some exciting and updated coupon codes that actually works. Or sometimes I can actually explain it that I have a caution for you that sometimes some codes may not work because it has just expired or it has just reached to its uses limit. So you can try one by one from all of these three platforms, all of the code that you can get, and watch which one works for you. Now here you can see the success rate. You can find the success rate also. Now you can simply click on show code to reveal this code from here. Now you can simply click on this copy button here to copy this code and paste it on Zalando. Here it has just redirect it to the Zalando. Now the second one is my voucher codes, where you can also find the Zalando discount codes, and here is the most updated coupon codes here. So you can simply click on get code button here and you can find the expiry date. So make sure that you have redeemed that code before this expiration date, and you can also find the details about the promo code from here. Now simply click on get code, and here you have to wait until you can get this code. Here it is. Now simply click on copy, and it will actually redirect you to the Zalando website also. Now again, the third one is actually the zalando.voucher.discount, where you can also find some interesting deals and discounts that you can get use to get some exciting offers. Now simply click on show codes from here also, so you can find it and find a copy button here, and you can paste this coupon code to redeem it on Zalando. So that's how you can just simply find all the codes here. So you can browse for all the codes on these three platforms and check which one actually works for you. So if you got this, if so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.